Alright guys, so yeah, as you may know, I was running these cheap eBay coilovers on my car, and my only issue I had with them was that they were just way too soft, especially in the back. In the rear, it was just too soft. There was too much movement in the rear. The car used to dip too much bottoms out, scrape scratches off my tires. It wasn't good. It wasn't good. So what I did was get rid of them, remove them, and which was pretty easy to do. And now I have bought myself some other eBay coilovers, but these are branded, I guess. They are by Supeed Motos. Interesting. All right, Supeed Motos. Let's see what that's like. Get in the box. Crazy thing is, my car's been off the road for like 3 days, waiting for this to come through. Alright, let's see what we have. Okay. The rear coilovers. Very nice. Very nice. Now you see, I don't know what the deal was with the old ones I was running, but they didn't have this this slot here for the Allen key. So it was pretty much impossible to get the bloody nut off. The packaging is quite nice, I must admit. Honestly, this packaging is nice. I love this plastic they use. It's very nice, and it's all branded and everything. Like, these are cheap coilovers. Do not get me wrong, but quite a lot of thought has gone into the packaging, and the coilovers themselves are they feel quite nicely put together. Okay. Alright, as you may have noticed, these do not come with the top mount. So what needs to happen is that you need to install the top mount from the stock suspension. So this comes through that. Make sure it's seated, and then this goes on top, and then the nut. Alright, so this is basically why I'm going to be installing the rear coilovers right now, and having the front ones done at a later date, because my car has been sat here like this for the best part of 3 days now. So yeah, I need to do something about that pronto. So yeah, I didn't really go through how to remove the rear suspension, but it's quite simple. It's quite easy. All I have to do is jack your car up, get it on the jack stands, get in here, remove the trim on the side. My boot is a mess because all the tools and stuff are in here, but never mind that. Take the trim out, undo 2 bolts there and there, and then you come here. After you remove the wheel, obviously there's a bolt through here, remove that, and then there's a bolt down here, you remove that, and voila, this the suspension comes right out. So what I'm going to be doing now is a reverse of that, and quickly put in the coilovers back in, because this car needs to be on the road. Alright, feed that through. So line up like that. Twisty. Insert into place. Feed. Feed the bolt through. Like so. Put the nut on the end of that. Like that. There you are. Alright, so you're gonna have to lift this whole assembly up to get it to meet that. And I have a trick for that. If you have a spare jack handy, Just undo everything here. Just undo the ABS line brake, undo this nut, undo this nut and this nut, and because if undone the nuts up top, it should just come right out. Alright, so that's it done. That is how you install coilovers on an EP2, EP3, EP1. Yeah, you got the